welcome to Here Comes the Sun, or we're going to talk about everything we learned about when it comes to the sun. And today, to show how we learn about that, we're going to use Pixton. Now, Pixton is this fun comic creator, so you get to make things like all your favorite comic books. So think of like Marvel movies, but you make them in way less of a budget, I'm not going to lie. But anyway, first we're going to start here on Pixton right here, and you're going to go to New Comic to start off. We're going to name it something. Let's call it something crazy. We'll call it New Comic. So the first thing, here's the screen. The first thing you're going to want to look at is when you're putting together a comic, you're going to look at the background. So it already selects, you're going to hit background here just in case. These are the choices of all the different backgrounds that we have to offer. I'm going to go lower and find some more backgrounds. Now after that, I think we're going to focus on outdoor backgrounds, at least to start off with. And we'll pick this one. See, it's fun, it's outside, it's at the beach, and here's the fun part, we don't have to ever stay in this background, we can change and do whatever we want, but let's start off with that one. So we're going to do that, and next we're going to need things inside the comic. So what you're going to add is you're going to add characters or people, things, because we're going to want to be talking about, explaining what we know about the sun. So any one of these fun characters can be used to describe the sun. So we're going to go with, I like an astronaut. You can choose whatever you like. And she's going to be our actor, our portrayer. And we can make her do whatever we want. We can have her talk, we can have her make faces, we can have her be doing actions. But first, let's focus on doing the words. So word to make her speak, it's really, really easy. You're just going to hit the words here, and then it's going to ask you, is it a thought? A speech? Is she shouting? Is she whispering? And then we'll go from there. So let's start out. What is she saying? She says, let's have her say, look at everything the sun touches. I'm just gonna hit that and hit OK. See, now she's talking. Now we can make her have a face. So all these faces kind of give an option of what she can do. I'm going to say she's smiling. And you can see in the right there, she's smiling. Look at that. And then just to have, we can do change her actions, which is kind of make her do whatever we want her to do. So let's say like what pose, make her do whatever pose we want when talking. Make her look like she's flying or tripped. We could do that, but she's not in space, so that wouldn't make sense. So we can use this pose where she's pointing. Just look at everything the sun touches. There you go. We can also zoom in the frame and however we like to have it focus in on something. So we can change it to where the person's more center, the person's more left. It's a close-up. There we go. So to do that, next you're going to add what happens next. And to do that, all you have to do is hit Add Panel. And there she is, again, our little astronaut. And we can change the focus. If we're going to have her talking to other people, all you have to do is hit Add Character. And then let's have her talking to a doctor, because doctors are fun. And then they can be having a little conversation. All you have to do is hit Hi, Paul, Doctor. talking, all you have to do is be like, have her, she doesn't even have to respond, you can have her have a thought, which is that's a doctor. And things like that, and situations like that. So pretty much what I want you to do as a class is I want you to make 5 different slides with someone talking. I want to have you change the background at least twice. Now I'm going to show you an example. Say I'm done with this one. I'm going to show you an example of what I want the final product to be. I want there to be a few more conversation bubbles. They don't have to be talking, but they have to be presenting the knowledge that we have of the sun, and talk about everything we learned in class, what the sun does. We'll talk about how it feeds plants energy, how it lights up our world, all that fun stuff. Also, maybe I want you to talk about one bad thing about the sun, so like sunburned, droughts, things like that. Alright, I'm excited to see what everyone comes up with. You're just gonna email me a link to your Pixton. As soon as it's done, I can check it out and give everyone an A. How's that sound? Alright, look forward to seeing it.